Experiencing trouble logging into your Roblox account on your PlayStation? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many users face sign in issues, especially after PS5 firmware updates or during peak hours. The most common errors you'll see are unable to connect or account verification failed. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Restart your router and ensure your PS5, PS4 is connected to Wi Fi or Ethernet. Next, check Roblox's server status online to see if there are any ongoing outages. If your internet is fine and Roblox is up and running, try clearing the cache on your PlayStation. Go to Settings, Storage, Apps, Roblox, Options, Delete. Finally, ensure your PS5, PS4 firmware is up to date. These simple steps can often resolve the issue. Remember, always check your internet connection first. Roblox server outages can cause sign-in errors. Clearing cache and updating firmware often fixes issues. If not, let's move on to account-specific solutions. Let's talk about why two-factor authentication is so important for your Roblox account. If the basic troubleshooting steps we covered earlier don't resolve your sign-in issues, it could be related to your account's security settings. 2FA adds that crucial extra layer of protection. And interestingly, it can actually help prevent some login problems by making your account more secure. Now, let's walk through how to set up 2FA step by step. Go to your Roblox settings by navigating to Account, then Security, and finally, two-step verification. Here you'll see options to choose your preferred method: SMS text message, email, or an authenticator app. This security settings page shows you exactly where to find these options. Let's break down the different 2FA methods available. You can receive codes via SMS text message to your phone, through email to your inbox, or use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator. The Authenticator app is generally faster and more reliable than SMS, as it doesn't depend on cellular service. Here you can see the 2FA verification screen and how Google Authenticator displays the codes. If you're already set up with 2FA but not receiving your codes, try switching between methods in your Roblox settings. For example, if SMS isn't working, switch to email verification or set up an authenticator app. If you're completely locked out due to multiple failed attempts, use Roblox's password recovery tool at roblox.com/recover to securely reset your password. This recovery screen shows exactly how that process works. If you've tried all these steps and are still having trouble, don't worry, Roblox support is here to help. Visit en.help.roblox.com to contact their support team. They can provide personalized assistance for account-specific issues. This contact page shows you how to get in touch with them. To wrap up, remember these key points. Strong 2FA practices are essential for keeping your account secure. Authenticator apps provide faster and more reliable verification than SMS. And if you ever need help, Roblox support is always available to assist with account-related issues.